My recipe: spaghetti white chicken. This recipe is very easy and quick to prepare. The amount of the ingredients is 470. Ingredients: 300 grams of chicken breasts, 500 grams of spaghetti, 1 rocks and pepper red bell pepper, 1 large with onion chopped, 1 small green onion chopped, 2 grams ground maize with 2 the green part, 500 grams of canned tomatoes, something or tomato puree, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 250 ml of broth. Tip: you can add green pepper. 150 grams of oil for freezing, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of ground black pepper, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley per system. Preparation: take a saucepan, add water white side 2 steaks and spread it on the fire. When it reaches the boiling point, lower the temperature a bit and add the chicken breasts with the bay leaves and parsley leaves. When the chicken breasts are cooked, remove them from the pan and stir them. Reserve them for the latter and stream the broth which you hold as reserved. To continue with the chicken spaghetti wraps, the pasta should be boiled in a sopping with water and salt to for 20 minutes. While the spaghetti is cooking, take a frying pan, white oil and fry the onion, red pepper, green onion, and garlic. Add finely chopped. When you notice that the onion turns transparent, add the shredded chicken, the broth with the squeezed paprika dissolved in it, the tomato, and the bay leaf. Stir everything with a wooden spoon, add salt and pepper to taste. Cover the saucepan and let everything cook over low heat. When the pasta is ready, drain it and place in the bowl. When the chicken sauce is ready, cover the pasta with it, sprinkle plenty of chopped parsley. Serve the chicken spaghetti hot and enjoy this delicious pasta recipe. You can accompany them with a salad of strawberries, spinach, and goat cheese. Don't forget this personal protective element for proper food and handling. Thank you.